Can you tell us the biggest
We're
misconceptions and the biggest, like how does it all work? If you can, in a truncated version, tell us how it works.
I think the biggest misperception that people have is that the law is clear. Most people think of the law as black and white, that there's an answer. But the reality is, there often isn't a clear answer. Most of the time when the Supreme Court takes cases, it's because the courts below have been disagreeing about the answer. And so there are reasonable people across the country who have looked at the same legal problem and come to different answers under the law. And you ask yourself, now, why is that? And that's because when laws are written, they're written generally. They're written with a particular problem in mind, and Congress or legislatures on the state or others or agencies and regulations are thinking about that problem, but they write it broadly, understanding that human nature is such that different situations are going to come up. And so they want to capture the sense of what they want the law to do. And those words are usually very general. By the time the case comes to the Supreme Court, or to any court, actually, the courts below us or even the Supreme Court, it's because the answer is unclear. And that can be unsatisfying to people. They don't understand why the judges are disagreeing. They don't understand why it's so hard. But it's why we have courts, to ensure that people who are trained in the law, who can not be judgmental, but who can and hope to be open-minded and fair, can give their best answer on what the law means. And so that, I hope, will give people some solace when they feel the court's made a wrong decision, understanding that the answers are not as easy to come to as they may want.